Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome to an exciting journey to the captivating island of Crete, Greece. While famous for its stunning beaches and ancient Minoan sites, Crete holds a treasure trove of lesser-known spots, brimming with authentic charm, breathtaking natural beauty, and a taste of true Cretan life. Today, we're venturing beyond the tourist hotspots to uncover some of the island's most enchanting hidden gems. Get ready to discover a side of Crete you might not find in the guidebooks. Lutro Village, Chania, a car-free coastal paradise. Our exploration begins in the south of Chania with the unique and picturesque village of Lutro. Imagine arriving by boat to a stunning, crescent-shaped bay nestled at the foot of towering mountains, with whitewashed houses lining the shore and no cars in sight. Hike along the coastal paths to discover secluded beaches, swim in the crystal-clear Libyan Sea, and savor the tranquility of this truly special, car-free haven. Preveli Palm Beach and Gorge, Rethymno, a river flowing into the sea. Next, we journey to the south coast of Rethymno to discover the enchanting Preveli Palm Beach and its dramatic gorge. Picture a lush river flowing through a narrow canyon, flanked by towering cliffs and lined with unique Cretan date palms, before emptying into the turquoise sea. Hike through the gorge, swim in the cool river waters, and relax on the sandy beach at the river's mouth, a truly unique and breathtaking landscape. The Lassithi Plateau, Lassithi, windmills and traditional villages. Our adventure takes us inland to the fertile Lassithi Plateau, a high plain dotted with charming traditional villages and historic windmills. Though many are now non-operational, their remnants add to the scenery. Imagine driving through this agricultural heartland, exploring the small villages, learning about local crafts and produce, and enjoying the panoramic views of the surrounding Dikti Mountains. It's a step back in time to a more traditional way of life. Samaria Gorge, beyond the crowds, exploring the shoulders. While the Samaria Gorge is well known, many don't explore the less trafficked shoulders and surrounding trails. Picture hiking through smaller, equally beautiful gorges like Imbros or Eridina, offering a similar dramatic landscape but with fewer visitors. Discover hidden viewpoints and experience the raw beauty of Crete's interior at your own pace, away from the main tourist flow. The Caves of Crete, exploring the island's underground wonders. Crete is riddled with fascinating caves, many with historical or mythological significance. Imagine venturing into the Diktion Cave, Psychro Cave, said to be the birthplace of Zeus, with its impressive stalactites and stalagmites. Or explore the Melodoni Cave, with its poignant history. These underground wonders offer a cool escape and a glimpse into the island's geological and legendary past. Gavdos Island, Europe's southernmost paradise. Finally, we take a boat trip to Gavdos, Europe's southernmost island, a tranquil escape off the beaten path south of Crete. Picture pristine, uncrowded beaches, rugged landscapes, and a feeling of being at the edge of the world. Hike to the lighthouse, relax on Patamos Beach with its unique clay formations, and enjoy the peace and quiet of this remote and beautiful island. Conclusion. Crete's hidden treasures await discovery. Crete's allure extends far beyond its famous landmarks. These hidden gems offer a more intimate and authentic connection to the island's natural beauty, rich history, and unique culture. So, the next time you plan a trip to Crete, venture off the beaten path and uncover the magic that lies waiting in its less explored corners. Outro. Have you discovered any hidden gems during your travels in Crete? Share your favorite off the beaten path experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more explorations of unique travel destinations and inspiring adventures around the world. Ifaristo and thanks for watching.